Alright guys, so we're back again with another one of my old videos, like really old videos. Um, don't roast me too much in the comments. This was literally a very small 110 volt stick machine that let's get into the video and let the comments roast me away. Oh, it made a spark. Oh, the future me is looking back at the past me going, you're an idiot. But But as anybody knows who's ever started out welding, you gotta take baby steps. Oh, there's a little sparky spark. You gotta take baby steps before you can learn to run. I figured if I could teach myself how to stick weld, everything else would just maybe come naturally. And I was right. I could run a pretty decent bead on pretty much anything I want to weld on. And I still prefer stick welding over MIG or flux core. I still haven't taught myself how to TIG yet, and that's just my own personal. I don't have anything I ever need to TIG weld. Maybe one day, but not yet. God. The me now looking back at this, and oh, I was so green. So green. Such a dumbass. Yeah. Maybe if I had cleaned the metal, it might have worked a little bit better. I'm literally trying to weld on a damn rotor. And then I get so happy at the end because I actually made a bead. Oh my lord. I think that was the first bead I'd ever honestly ran in my life. I don't know how good it is, and I definitely ain't showing none of y'all how bad it was. Let's just say it wasn't the best. My god, I burned a half a rod. What do you know? As the title of the video says, man discovers welding. Okay, so that's it for the video. If y'all wouldn't mind, leave me some roasting comments. You know, try and engage with me. Maybe some of you can relate to this. Maybe some of you just want to laugh at it. That's fine. It doesn't bother me. I'm old enough and wise enough now that not a whole lot bothers me. So I'll catch you on the next video, and we're out. Thanks for watching. If you made it this long, if you want to see more, let me know. I'll post up some more of my other welding videos if I can find them. Y'all have a great day.